This hydrating detangling spray will get your knotty locks in order while minimizing comb through breakage. Leave on conditioning without weighing down your magical bounce, leaving hair smelling like fresh coconut. How to use: spray on clean, wet hair before combing. Do not rinse out. Can be used daily. Made with ingredients we love like coconut and vitamin B, all 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Free of harsh chemicals including parabens, phthalate, SLS, mineral oil and petrolatum, as well as sulfate-free, cruelty-free and 100% vegan. Coconut Milk Detangle Elixir. Send your knotty locks to rehab with this silicone-free detangling spray that helps minimize comb through breakage. This also gives your hair major leave-on conditioning without weighing down your magical bounce. Ingredients we love: coconut, vitamin B5. Details: hydration rehab for knotty knots. Smells like fresh coconut. Made in the USA with the best globally sourced ingredients. Directions: spray on clean, wet hair before combing. Do not rinse out. Can be used daily. Top reviews from the United States. Just love it. I simply love this stuff. It is moisturizing. It smells amazing. It doesn't weigh my fine hair down. A little goes a long way, so it will last forever. It makes my dry, damaged hair feel so soft and manageable. It's a win all around.